Hey everybody, it's Neil and welcome to my office. Today I'm going to give you guys a bit of a comparison between the EMEET OfficeCore Luna Plus and the ANKER PowerConf S3. I got two of these things. I got them two different ones, and we're going to see which one we like best. And let's go through them all. I kind of already have my favorite because I've already unboxed these things, but I'm going to unbox them again so you can just see how everything goes. I already have separate reviews, so you guys can look at those as well. But let's open these boxes up and we'll compare them and see what we got here. Let's beam you guys down a little bit so you can see as I open them up. Ta-da! Okay, so the ANKER one comes with its manual, which opens up like this. It has very little information because it just has the one English line on each one, so it's very simple to use. Very nice. The EMEET manual is quite a bit larger, and but just gives you a page and stuff for each one, so just a little bit different on that. As far as the wires, I don't know, let me find the wire. It was underneath on that one. The wires are pretty similar here. The ANKER one comes with just USB to USB-C, and the EMEET one actually has the little adapter, so you could go USB-C to USB-C, or you can go USB to USB-C. So I'm going to give that one to the EMEET that they thought of that on the wires. I'm getting everything wet here. Sorry, I was doing some stuff on my planters, and that was that. Okay, so let's see. And then, so those are those. And now we are out of the boxes, so let's take these things out, put the boxes to the side, and move on. Okay, so you can see this is the EMEET here, and this is the ANKER. The ANKER comes in a neoprene case, which is kind of nice. If you need something to take with you and stuff easier, if you want a case, I guess that would be this. So not sure anybody really needs that, but okay. So this is what they look like side by side. We'll kind of show you the devices there. This is what they look like. So the EMEET has a bit more height to it. It's probably an extra third bigger, taller, and then on the around side they're pretty similar. They're about the same size. The ANKER is a little bit square. This one's a little bit more round. So that's what we can see on there. As far as the ports go, if we look at the ports on these two, you can see the ANKER has an out for USB. It has an what was that one again? That was an auxiliary out. I guess that's the other thing, and then the USB-C power in. Where the EMEET's got an extra one there. It's got an extra link port. So if you wanted to have several, different speakerphone devices connected, EMEET's the way to go. This one is only just a single device by itself. Let's move it up a little bit here. There we go. Okay, so that's that. Now I'm tilted. Okay, so that's as far as the buttons and things go, we can see the power on both of them kind of work similar. You hold it down, and if I can get it. And then that one lights up, so you know it's on. The buttons they have on this one here, on the ANKER, you have, I guess it's like the phone, pick up, a volume down, up, mute, and that's like a play pause button. But on this one here, we have the same kind of buttons on there. We have a Bluetooth connect button here, where this one has the Bluetooth one on the front. But we also have the this button here, like the AI noise cancellation. So it has voice AI on, so it has AI stuff. So this one here is going to sound better. And in making a few, oops, I keep pushing buttons. In making a few different calls, I did notice that this one here did sound better overall, especially for on the other side. So when I was talking to people, they heard it better. And it might also be because this one here has 8 microphones versus the 6 on this one here. So there's a little bit of a difference there too. There's 8 versus 6. The AI speakerphone on this one here too. So that was it. And also another thing is this one here. So if you want to connect it to a laptop or something that doesn't have Bluetooth, or you don't have access to do the different settings or things like that, this one's got the little dongle here, so you can connect this up. Oop. Okay, let me turn that off. Okay, it's got the little dongle, so you can connect it up, and it'll connect up for you. And this one, I couldn't find one. It doesn't have it, I guess. So ANKER, you can't do that with. So the EMEET has that. So far, I do like the EMEET one better, and I'm going to tell you especially why I like it better. So I was playing with these, and I don't know if I can do this here, if it's going to work, but when I was listening to them, the sound, so here I have the sound, and this is up at max volume on the Anchor. It's just not super loud. That was a problem I had, and I don't know why. But then, let me pause that, and let me go back to connect to the other device. Can I do that? OfficeCore, ANKER PowerConf. We'll disconnect that one. So let's see if we're connected now to this one. And so now we're connected to this one. And I don't know if you can tell, but it's significantly louder. So if you're in any type of, let me pause this one again now too. I guess this one doesn't have a pause button on it, but significantly louder. So if you're in a noisy environment, you gotta go with this. So comparing these two, I'm gonna give you guys my pluses and minuses and tell you which one I like best. So as far as the size and weight, they're both weigh about the same. But as far as this one here, I like it has a little case. It's kind of cool if you're going to stick it in something messy or dirty or just in a bag that's got a bunch of crap in it. This would be a nice, convenient one. So the Anchor has that for the benefit. If you also want to be able to charge other devices from it, you've got the port here. And then the EMEET one has the noise for actual use. It's got the noise, the AI voice cancellation, the noise cancellation. It's got the extra link so you can connect up more of them. It's got the little dongle. The wire can support both types because it's got both of these. The volume's higher. So overall, and the speakers, it just seems better. It's got 8 speakers versus 6, and they seem to work really well. On the other side, everyone said it sounded great. It may have been because of the AI technology or something like that, but people said it sounded a little better and clearer on the EMEET. So that was it. And also just listening to it, it sounds better, probably because it gets louder and I have noise in my area here. If you're in a silent conference room, this one might be fine too, or just at home or whatever. This would be okay. So comparing them, I'm going to say, for me, it's a hands down, definitely like the EMEET best. It just seems to fit all my needs here in the office or wherever. So, but the Anchor is still a good contender for sure. But the EMEET's the one to get. So definitely, if you're going to get one, I would say the EMEET OfficeCore Luna Plus is my favorite, and the Anchor is okay. But I would, if you don't want to get the other ones, I have other EMEET speakerphones and other EMEET devices too that are great. I have other Anchor devices that are fine too. Definitely this is the leader for me. So thumbs up for me. Go ahead and pick them up. They're different ones. I'll put the links for both of them in the description so you guys can make your choice. And like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon. Thanks. Bye.